Hey, it's Kaylin from Travel Yourself, and today on Where She Stayed, I am on the U.S. Virgin Island of St. Croix, staying at the Buccaneer Hotel. Let's check out my room. Travel Yourself. You first enter the room here, and there's a lot of storage, and there is also a nice mini bar area with a fridge. We have a large closet with safe and robes. Over here we have a bathroom with a nice big stand-up shower, a lovely fan, and double sinks. Then back out here is the rest of the room. We have two nice queen-size beds, a nice little love seat to sit on, a table to sit at, and a desk to work at, as well as a flat screen TV. And of course, the best part of staying in the Caribbean is the view. And out here we have the ocean. And it is a beautiful, very secluded property, really gorgeous. The weather is so nice, it is so warm. Private beach right there, and there's a pool as well. And it's just beautiful. If you ever find yourself visiting the U.S. Virgin Islands and coming to St. Croix, I highly recommend you check out the Buccaneer.